To understand constipation, let us first understand what is the normal physiological mechanism of the colon. So as you can see here, the colon has almost like three sections. One is the ascending colon, which is on our right side, starting at the cecum. Then you have the transverse colon, and then you have the descending colon. Then at the end, you have the rectum and the anal canal. The main job of this colon is to move the stools through along the ascending, transverse, and descending colon. And its muscle does that. It's smooth muscle, and that is known as peristalsis. The second important function of the colon is to absorb water and electrolytes from the stools. Otherwise, we would be losing a lot of water and we would need to drink water constantly. So those are the two major functions of this colon. And once the colon starts propulsing and peristalsing and it starts moving the stools to the left and down, then it's stored in the rectal ampulla. At the very end, as you can see in this slide, the very end, that anal canal has a sphincteric mechanism, and that mechanism keeps it nicely closed off so that we are not losing stools constantly. Remember, the gut is moving things downwards, but for the very end, where that sphincteric mechanism around the anal canal keeps it nice and tight and closed so that we're not losing stools. The only time it opens up is when we want to defecate, want to have a bowel movement. So this is the normal mechanism of colonic function and the sphincteric mechanism at the anal canal. Next, we'll talk about what happens, what's the dysfunction, and why do we get constipation.